Hey guys, Nerf coming to viewer 341 here today. Now, I just got back from Wegmans and from my job at Jimmy John's. But I got a package from Ray Squad, I think, or Ray Squad? Ray Squad. This is like a Nerf, I guess in the sense they make their own Nerf darts. They make like other Nerf products like a sling and a tactical vest, ammo clips and so forth. I got home, saw a package with these darts. These are accustrike darts, I believe. I thought these were like the waffle-headed darts that they so broadcast about. But I was really surprised when I got 300 of them. 300 darts in one of these. So imagine one pack of 300 darts times 5. All right, so let's get these darts, at least one of them, open. It says from Ray Squad here and kinda in here. Open it up, see if it has that new dart smell. Ooh, it does. Ooh, it does have that new dart smell. Oh my god, how the frick am I going to be able to, oh, that's nice. Join our elite product testing community and all of our products free via www.raysquad.com/pages/VIP club. Each one of these is 10 darts. So, like 2, looks like 8, and then 10. Wait, no. Wait a minute. I did my math wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, okay. So there's 10 darts. It ended up counting wrong. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30 of those little small packages. Now, they're all the same darts, and they're all the same type of darts. It looks like these are accustrike darts. So I'm going to go ahead and open one of them. This must have taken a while to just pack each and every dart, let alone just get like 5 of these things shipped out. The dart quality is actually surprisingly really well. I like it. It's the foam tip, the rubber tip, it feels like rubber, and the foam casing also feels like foam, and it actually feels more high quality than the actual Nerf dart, like from Nerf. As far as I can tell, these are accustrike darts. I don't know if these will work with clips because I haven't really gotten that far into the Nerf line, at least the newer ones. And honestly, it looks pretty well done. I'm pretty impressed. There's nothing on the tip of the dart that shows like a logo or something, which, okay, that's fine. Now for the fun part, let's see if this thing, one of these darts, shoots better than the actual accustrike dart. Come with me to the garage. Another thing I want to mention, these darts are nice and snug. They fit nice and snug inside of a unmodified accustrike. I think this is an Alpha Hawk. I'm just going to load all 5 just to be sure. Now, my question is, do the darts actually make a difference as far as performance? I'm just going to aim at the other side of the wall. Slightly. Seems to be hitting in exactly the right spot. Last shot. Get every last dart in. It looks like these darts work as elite darts, so I never knew that until just now. Let's try the crossbow from Nerf accustrike Elite. Oh, I am gonna love these darts. Fly straight and true. Highly modified night finder. This one that I haven't really showcased as much. It has a double spring and an AR removal. So let's just see how much power this baby has with one of the ray darts on. Yeah, okay. I'm going to be impressed by these darts. These darts, I believe you can only get them in 300 pack, but they're like $14.99, which is actually really good. If you want to check out Ray's Squad, I'll leave a link in the description below, but I absolutely enjoy these darts. These are, well, what can I say? Like, it works with an Alpha Hawk, it works great with a crossbow that's clip fed, and it works great with one of these, or virtually any gun. So, if it works with a clip system, I'm already happy as it is. Not to mention they perform better than the actual accustrike darts from Nerf. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, understood the video. Hope you guys have a great day, night, life, and everything else. And I'll see you guys in the next video.